Welcome. In front of me is an HMD Skyline, and today I will show you how you can record screen on this phone. So to get started, you will want to swipe down from the top of your screen to pull down your toggles, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Next, on one of the pages, you will find a screen recorder toggle. For me, that is on the second page right over here. Once you see it, you can simply tap on it. It will bring up this window letting you choose what kind of audio you will be recording. By default, it's turned off, so if you want to record any audio, just make sure you toggle it on. And then on the drop down, you have the device, microphone, or both. And below that, we have show touches on the screen, which will record a semi-transparent gray dot wherever your finger was pressing the display. So I'm going to enable that just so you can see what that looks like on the recording as it is visible on the recording. From there, let's select start. This will begin a 3-second countdown and then begin recording. Typically there would be a notification, but I guess there isn't one. So anyway, whatever you'll do right now will be recorded by the device. If you open up some kind of applications, for the most part, majority of them will be recorded, but there are some applications that will not. And anyway, once we're done recording, let's pull down the notifications again and select stop right here. From here, you can view the screen recording by going into your Photos application right here. Don't back it up. And next, we're going to navigate to the library. And in the library, you can see under Movies, we have the screen recording. Now, going back to what I was saying with the recording, some applications have the ability to black screen recorders. So if you try to record such an application, what you will end up having is a footage that just has black screen on it. And this will only extend to the application that you are trying to record. The moment you close that application, you will continue to record normally your screen. And such an application, for instance, would be things like the streaming platforms like Netflix. And that is completely regardless of if you signed into the application or gave it any kind of permission or agreed to anything. It doesn't give a shit about your rights or anything like that, and it just blocks your phone from being able to record, even though you never gave it permission to do so. So just know that whenever you encounter such an application, the application does it on its own free volition, and there is no setting for you as a user to change for you to be able to record such an application. So anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.